Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your LinkedIn Learning subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your service and avoid future charges. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account by visiting linkedin.com. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on the Account tab on the left side of the Settings page. Step 5. Scroll down to find Subscriptions and click on it. Step 6. Find your LinkedIn Learning subscription in the list of active subscriptions. Step 7. Click Manage next to your LinkedIn Learning subscription. Step 8. Click Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Step 9. LinkedIn may ask why you're canceling and offer alternative options like pausing your subscription. Select your reason or skip this step. Step 10. Confirm that you want to cancel by clicking Continue to Cancel or Yes, Cancel Subscription. Step 11. Review the cancellation confirmation message, which will tell you when your access to LinkedIn Learning will end. Step 12. You'll have access to LinkedIn Learning until the end of your current billing period, even after canceling. Step 13. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from LinkedIn and save it for your records. Step 14. If you change your mind, you can reactivate your subscription before the current billing period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.